In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see image uploads on Bolt.new. Let's get straight to it. Start by opening your browser and heading to Bolt.new. Give the page a moment to load until you're on the main Bolt.new AI dashboard. This is your starting point for everything you'll do in Bolt, and from here we'll navigate to the place where your image uploads live. On the left side of the screen, look for the sidebar and click on Projects. This takes you to a list of all your available projects. Think of projects as your organized workspace library. Each project contains its own conversations, files, and any images you've added while working there. At the top of the projects page, you'll see the Search for a Project field. Click into that box and type the name or a keyword related to the project you want to review. This is especially helpful if you have a long list and want to jump straight to the right spot. As you type, your results should narrow so you can quickly find what you need. Once you've found the correct project in the list, click on it to open the project workspace. The project view will load with its panels and tools just like you left it the last time you were working. Take a second to make sure you're in the correct project before moving on. Now, here's the key location. Look to the left side of the interface for the prompt box. This is the area where you typically enter prompts or add context for your work. In this space, you'll also see your image uploads associated with the project. They'll appear right alongside the prompt area, making it easy to confirm what's been added. If you've uploaded images during previous sessions in this project, they should be visible here. If the space looks empty, that usually means no images have been uploaded for this project yet. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't immediately see the sidebar or the prompt box, try widening your browser window or making sure the left panel isn't collapsed. Double check that you opened the intended project, since image uploads are tied to the specific project you're viewing. And if nothing appears but you're sure images were added, a quick page refresh can help the interface catch up. That's all there is to it. Go to Bolt, open projects, search for your project, select it, and view the image uploads in the left side prompt box. Simple, clear, and right where you need them.